Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something truly exciting for all you coin collectors out there. We'll be exploring the top 4 UK2 new Pence coins from 1971, 1976, 1993. Good condition, trust me. Some of these coins can fetch a pretty penny at heritage auctions. So, stick around. Let's start with the 1971 to new Pence coin. Now, this coin may seem common, but if you have one in excellent condition, it's a real gem. The key here is its rarity. Due to a decimalization change, the new pence wording was replaced with 2 pence in mid-1971. So, if you find a 1971 to new Pence coin with the new pence inscription in good condition, it can be worth quite a bit. In heritage auctions, these coins have sold for $100,000, and in some cases, $300,000. Next up, we have the 1976 to new Pence coin. What makes this coin special is its design. It features a striking image of a heraldic lion. Again, its value depends on its condition and rarity. If you have one in pristine condition, you could be looking at a nice payday at auction. These coins have been known to sell for $89,200. Moving on to the 1993 to Pence coin. This coin might not have the vintage appeal of the earlier ones, but it's still worth mentioning. Why? Well, in 1992, the Royal Mint decided to reduce the size of the 2 pence coin, making the larger 1993 versions a bit of a rarity. If you find one in good condition, it can fetch a respectable sum at heritage auctions. Some have even sold for over $46,300. Before we get to our final coin, it's important to note that several factors can affect a coin's value. These include its condition, rarity, historical significance, and, of course, the demand among collectors. So, if you're considering selling your coins, be sure to get them appraised by a professional. And now, for our grand finale, we have the 1971 new Pence to new Pence coin. This coin is a true collector's dream. As I mentioned earlier, the switch from new pence to 2 pence in 1971 makes this coin exceptionally rare. If you have one in mint condition, you're in luck. These coins have been known to fetch incredible prices at heritage auctions, often reaching into the $400,300. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fascinating insights into the world of numismatics.